So Dogecoin dropped like a box of rocks today. And not only Dogecoin, the whole stock market, all of cryptocurrencies, they dropped like a box of rocks. In this video, I'm going to be telling you why exactly this happened, why you should not be worried, and why I am still bullish for Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies. So make sure you watch the entire video. You cannot miss what I have in store for you today. What's up, Myles? It is ladies and gentlemen here. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you do not miss these time-sensitive videos about Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies that I make every single day. If you want to get access to my profitable trade signals, when to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, join my Patreon for only $10 a month where you get access to my daily trade alerts, my updates on the market. You can message me anytime. I can build you a portfolio, teach you technical analysis, and much more. And if you want to join the 5,000 member Discord, it is free for a limited time. You can join using the link below as well. If you love Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies, make sure you smash up the like button and let me know in the comments below, because of the crash, are you still bullish or bearish for Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies? So Dogecoin dropped like a box of rocks. This was wild to see. I saw this live. Some of you may have been at work, not able to look at the charts all day like I do. And we had a straight drop. It was like, woo! And every single crypto, I looked on the chart, 20%, 30%. I was like, wow, this is absolutely amazing. Look at this. So Dogecoin dropped from approximately 32 cents. We got to 32 cents. We were making some big moves. Look at this. Look at all of that bullishness going up. And then we have some market manipulations, whales, dropping the price of cryptocurrencies. And Dogecoin dropped down from the peak. We were headed up to 33 cents to the bottom. We dropped 33% today. However, we have recovered significantly. And if we look at the recovery of Dogecoin compared to other cryptos, Dogecoin has far outperformed Ethereum and Bitcoin, which is very good to see. Now, one of the winners for the recovery today is Solana. Solana had recovered extremely well, and Solana from the bottom is up. We did announce in the Patreon a buy alert right at the bottom today for all cryptos. And if you would have bought any of those alerts, you would have been up at least, especially for Solana, 40%. So we're going to get to this in just a minute, but let's talk about and solidify what has been going on in the crypto market. Why did Dogecoin go down? Why are we still bullish? So today, Bitcoin was made legal currency in El Salvador. And there's a lot of world banks, there's a lot of big whales who did not like this decision by El Salvador. So I personally think, along with a bunch of other things that I will be mentioning here in the video, that the whales manipulated the price to show El Salvador that that was not a good choice. You should have listened to us, and now we're going to make you pay. We're going to crash the prices of cryptocurrency, your beloved Bitcoin that's now your currency, 10% to show you that you've made the wrong choice. But they are still holding with diamond hands, just like Elon Musk said. Tesla has diamond hands. So do we all. We all have diamond hands. We did not panic sell today. Congratulations. These are the times to get greedy. These are the times to buy cryptocurrencies when things drop, when they're at a discount. And this is actually what brings up to market. This is what causes pumps. You cannot get a pump without a dump, and you cannot get a dump without a pump. So this is actually good. A correction when things are going up so strong, so fast, like we've seen the last several weeks. Dogecoin has gone up 7 weeks in a row, no corrections at all. Dogecoin has gone up 7 weeks in a row, including all of our favorite cryptocurrencies that we mentioned and talk about on the Patreon and in this channel. Cryptos have gone up a lot, ladies and gentlemen. They have. Yes, they have. If you look at Dogecoin, when we were at 32 cents, we are up nearly 100+% since July. That is huge. Ethereum, all these other cryptos are up even, some of them even further than Dogecoin. So cryptos needed a correction. A correction is what happens when things go up way too much. But this is good. Corrections are caused by a couple of things, which we also will talk about in just a second. But corrections, let me tell you this, causes dumps, right? Corrections cause dumps, but dumps are good because these corrections, they bring the prices down. People are scared to jump in when Ethereum is 4,000, when Dogecoin is at X amount, when Bitcoin is X amount. They're like, is it too late? Is it too late for me to get into Solana? So corrections bring the prices down, which we have a lot of people on the sidelines. They have money. They're like, hey, I want to buy, but I want to wait for a dip. So you have people that are patiently waiting for dips, and it goes months and months, and they keep missing out and missing out. and boom, here you have a big correction. It's like, okay, this is the time to get in. You better get in now before things really take off. So what happens is it brings more people in, causes more people to buy. So now that there's more money in this, it'll allow cryptos to pump harder, faster, stronger, bigger, etc. If you want a good platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies like Dogecoin and Cardano, use my WEBULL link. If you sign up and deposit $100 using my link, they will send you 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000, which you can immediately sell or send to your bank account. So here's why cryptocurrencies crash, along with, I think, the whales were manipulating this whole El Salvador thing. Analysts point to over-leveraged traders after Bitcoin flash crashes to $43,000. Before any news article came out talking about this, period, I told you guys in my video this afternoon why cryptos crash like this. Whenever you see a crash, a flash crash, something moved really fast, 50,000, well, we were at 53,000 for Bitcoin, all the way to $43,000 in just a couple of minutes. When that happens, it's due to people leverage trading, getting squeezed. It's called a long squeeze, not a short squeeze. A long squeeze when the price is brought down like crazy. So it causes massive liquidations. Then you have people, they have stop losses at certain levels, 45,000, 43,000, and stop losses are a terrible thing. But what happens is once the price is pushed down further, these whales, they dump, right? And they cause liquidations, and the liquidations causes long squeezes, which also causes stop losses to get triggered. So you have this huge fast push of the market selling cryptos. That's what all these automated bots, people are using bots. When people are leverage trading, they have these exit prices, liquidation prices. They have all of these things based on leverage trading. They're going 10x, 100x, going long in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and they were making money, but they ended up getting liquidated. So what happens is once there's a big dump, these whales will come together and like, all right, we're all gonna dump at this time so we can cause these liquidations, so that we can cause a long squeeze, because the market is overdue. People aren't expecting it. And what they do is they all dump together, which triggers all of these stop losses. It causes a long squeeze. It pushes the price down further. Look, and now Bitcoin is $10,000 cheaper. And so what they do is they buy the dip. That's why you see a big boom, a big rise up very, very fast. And that is a part of their game. That's how the whales make their money. So the reason why cryptos got brought down was market manipulation. They're trying to scare El Salvador. We have people getting liquidated. And look at this, $3.5 billion in liquidations took place today on Bybit and all of these other exchanges where you can leverage trade cryptos. It's a quick way to lose all of your money. The last 24 hours, $3.5 billion is gone out of thin air, liquidated, and that is what happened. That's why the prices came down. But not only this, the prices started coming down because there's also FUD in the news today. The unemployment benefits were cut off, unfortunately for others, but the unemployment benefits for America were cut off nationwide. And so this has caused fear. This has caused panic by Wall Street, by big money, by institutions, thinking that now people have to return to work. This might be bad for the economy. So let's go ahead and pull out. Let's pull the rug a little bit. And that's also what happened. So there's a whole bunch of factors, including the things that I've already mentioned, some things that I haven't mentioned, which has caused the price of cryptos to drop like a box of rocks. Now, before we get into technical analysis and look at CoinMarketCap, look at McDonald's now accepts Bitcoin, but only in El Salvador. So if you go to El Salvador, you can buy McDonald's with Bitcoin. Who knows? You might be able to buy it with Dogecoin, depending on the type of network that they are using. But I would presume in the future, El Salvador is going to accept other cryptocurrencies like Dogecoin, and they might realize the benefits of using Dogecoin over Bitcoin, the speeds, the transaction fees, and much more. So let's go ahead and do another review of CoinMarketCap. Let's see what happened. The last 24 hours, Bitcoin is down 10%. In a week, we're at flat, we're zero. Ethereum in the last week is still in the green, down 12%. Cardano down 10% on both ways, 7 and 24. We see XRP down 20% today. Solana up 8%. Dogecoin down 20%, 8% in the last week. So things are still okay for cryptocurrencies. We're back where we were just about a week ago. Nothing crazy, and we can easily get back to where we just were last night in a very short period of time. Do not forget that crypto is just like we saw move really fast to the downside, and they can also move back up even faster. And remember, Dogecoin went from what, 14 cents to 73 cents in 20 something days. Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies have the ability to move and move very fast. So don't think just because we only have a couple of months left that Bitcoin and our cryptos that we love and believe are going to hit a specific number can't because of this correction today. That is a lie, and get it out of your head. Remember, none of this is financial advice, just my own opinion. So let's just do some technical analysis. Okay, so we see a big drop, right? But if we zoom into the chart, what we can actually see is a recovery starting to play out for Ethereum, looking good. The cool thing is, if we compare, look at this. Let me just show you. This is Ethereum. From the bottom to where we are at now, we've recovered about 14%. Now look at Dogecoin. You guys say Dogecoin is dead. This is a good way to tell if it's a good crypto, if it's a dead project. You compare the bottom to where it's at now. Look, about 20%. About 20% Dogecoin has recovered so far. So Bitcoin right now breaking $47,000, looking very bullish. It's looking like this is going to be a strong recovery. However, things can change any second. Things can flip bearish. I'm just being honest with you. But the overall market is extremely bullish, so I do not see that happening. And the chance of that happening is very, very slim. But most importantly, let's get into Dogecoin. And Solana recovering very, very well. In my Patreon, I do announce when to buy and sell Solana. So if you want to get access to that, join the Patreon. But looking at Dogecoin, we are looking very good. Hopefully we can get back up to the 30-cent range here very soon. And in the next couple of days, if we can continue, because we've had a massive correction. Massive corrections usually give time for the wounds to heal so that we can slowly get back up, and maybe we'll pump back up. Maybe we'll pump. That will be the option here. But most likely we will have a recovery back up, and it's going to be zigzag. It's not going to go straight up. It's going to be a little bit of up and down, but it's going to be an uptrend, higher highs and higher lows. That is what we're seeing in the charts. That's what we're looking forward to. So don't worry, don't have paper hands. Buy these dips. I'm buying these dips, just my own opinion. And when others get fearful, that is when you get greedy. If you got something out of the video, hit the like button, blow up the comment section. I will see you all tomorrow.